Hello and welcome back. In this video, I show you how to edit PDF file with Microsoft Word. It is one employee certificate I found from internet. I want to show you how to edit this certificate or any PDF with Microsoft Word. First step, you need to open Microsoft Word. If you don't have already installed Microsoft Office on your system, I will share the link of Microsoft Office installation on the description. Open your Microsoft Word. After that, you can drag and drop your PDF file on Microsoft Word, or you can click on open, then you can find, but I want to drag and drop. This file is here now. It is editable for us. I want to write one name here. For example, take Hub. It is a good YouTube channel for different educational video. And also we can add here one name. If I come in the insert, we need one text box. Okay. You can do anything you want. Here we can add our date 26/10/2023. It is a little hard, but it is editable. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. In the end, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Have a good day. See you soon.